gas at oil. I gotta document this because I got everything I do exclusive. Oh, you know, all work done by those who love it. Golly. Best fuel in the world right there. I bet BP be pissed the fuck off. It's good diesel. You burn it, that shit'll woof up on your ass like napalm. That's probably gonna be a quarter tank of gas. No oil. Not anymore. It's all been dumbed back down to gas. What you think? What comes first, oil or gas? I think oil comes first. Yeah, oil black.
Gas is the top at night.
No, I mean oil. Is oil gas before it's oil, or is it oil before it's gas?
It's oil before it's gas.
Yeah, well, this shit's coming out supremely fine.
It's clean already?
Oh, it's like some cut up gas, still raw. We had to put some little water on it, a little filter.
Put that in the dirt bike and run it.
You probably put in a couple chainsaws for real. Now they ain't coming back to oil. It's still a constant pour.
Yeah, it's happening.
They ain't getting to an oil like drip.
Get thicker.
Or runnier state. More consistent. That's Chevrolet for you though. GMC.
Chevrolet is a GMC, no matter how you look at it.
I'm still getting $1,500 for it, dog.
We were sitting in another week, we talking about Taylor. He kind of arguing between the GMC and Chevrolet with the same thing. I said,
He's crazy as hell too.
GMC is put out, I mean,